Hello and welcome to our musical space adventure. In this video, we will learn about the lines and spaces on the music staff. The music staff looks like a graph with a certain number of lines and spaces. We will also see how to identify notes on the music staff. Here we go. The lines and spaces. There are 5 lines on the music staff. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 4 spaces on the music staff. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each line has a letter. Each space has a letter. Here are the letters for the lines: E, G, B, D, and F. Here are the letters for the spaces: F, A, C, and E. Letters on the line look like this: E, G, B, D, and F. Letters on the spaces look like this: F, A, C, and E. Yes, it spells face. Letters on the lines can say a sentence. Every good boy does fine is one example. You can even make up your own sentence. Letters on the spaces look like this: F, A, C, and E. Face. Every good boy does fine on the lines. FACE on the spaces. Now we will look at notes on the music staff. Today we will use the quarter note to demonstrate the notes on the staff. Notes can appear on lines or spaces on the staff and may go higher or lower than the staff using ledger lines, which will be in another video. Can you identify the letter names for these notes? F is the first space, A second space, C third space, E fourth space. What about these letters? E is the first line, G is the second line, B is the third line, and D is the fourth line. What about these? If you guessed, F is on the first line in the first space at the top. B is in the middle of the staff. A is the second space, and G is the second line. Note, when a music note is on the middle of the staff, the stem may go up or down. Notes above the middle line must have stems turned downward. Notes below the middle line must have stems turned upward. You always can choose on the middle line whether a stem goes up or down. Now it's time to make your own. Use the next slide to work as a class or individually to draw your own notes on the music staff. You may also draw your own music staff on a blank piece of paper. If you know more notes, you may use the quarter note, half note, eighth notes, and whole note. Thank you for traveling with us on this short music space adventure, learning about the lines and the spaces. Until we see you again, goodbye.